Today we're going to take a look at the oval LED dual turn and marker light with white backup light from Trux. It functions as a standard rear tail light, but also has a backup white light. It measures 6.5 inches in length, 2.5 inches in width, and 1 inch in height. It's available in 3 different options: an oval dual amber turn and marker white backup LED light, an oval dual red and white stop turn and tail light, or oval dual revolution stop turn and tail light, so amber strobe light. It fits all trucks, uses a 3-prong pigtail, and has 12 diodes. It separately illuminates 2 different colors. The dual lights are designed to have the white reverse function override the red stop, turn, and tail functions when in reverse. Therefore, it's recommended to have 2 standard red stop, turn, and tail function lights installed on the rear of the truck. You can find links to all the products you've seen today in the video description, and check out our site at bigrigchromeshop.com.